Okay, so now we're ready to install the airbox. First thing you'll need to do is, this is the air temperature sensor from the original manifold. I've simply drilled a hole in it and I've used a little O-ring that's from a fuel injector, that O-ring, and I had to put a washer under it, so you need to install that, and then we can install the trumpets. Now I generally like to put the air temperature sensor in this location, so it's at the bottom, the front like that. So you can start slipping all the trumpets in. Okay, so there we go. That'll simply slip on, and then we'll tighten up the clamps that hold it on. And then last of all, we'll tighten these up in position. Now something we need to do is we need to put this in the airbox somewhere, or the backing plate, for our idle control valve to connect. And now I'm going to go and do a dummy fit on the vehicle. Okay, so I found the best place to put the fitting was just right in the bottom of the airbox here, and then you can see down here I found this little piece of hose from the ITB, and this will plug onto the airbox. Not particularly elegant, but it's going to do the trick. So something else I discovered is I had to clock this back a little bit, because otherwise when we put the airbox on, the linkage actually was hitting the air temperature sensor. So we can pop this on now. There we go. That's easy when I've got two hands. Okay, so that's all in place. Next we can tighten it up. Now we'll start by tightening these ones. Okay, so here we are. We've made a little extension for the MAF sensor, so now it can reach, and we've put everything else in. We've put a filter and connected the MAF sensor. So the engine's completely cold. Let's fire it up. Now we're only flat spot. Look at that, no flat spot. Running beautifully. Now the engine's still a bit cold, so the idle will be a little bit high.